Hey guys, I got some good news. So I've been getting a lot of questions about, hey, can I upgrade my first generation BA shredder to its second generation BA shredder? The answer is absolutely yes, you can. And originally I wanted to get this out there, let everybody have a chance to get a second gen. And then when things slowed down a little bit, I was going to then sell the upgrade kit. So this is the upgrade kit, guys. If you have a first generation BA shredder and you would like to have some extra platen space, if you would like to have an additional hole down here, this hole allows you to run a 4-inch contact wheel. I gotta say, I love that feature. Also, because this has a bigger D plate, you will need a bigger work rest. So the upgrade kit comes with this right here. All right, if you already have a first generation BA shredder, all your same hardware will work. So I'm just going to sell the plates. Now, with the plates, I'll sell the build kit for the guys. Like, let's just say you want to build a 2x72. You don't necessarily want to build a BA shredder, but you need a little help with some of these more detailed parts. Well, you could buy this kit right here. You could also add the multi-axis tracking assembly to that, and you could build your own 2x72. And, you know, you could just do the easier stuff. Anyways, let me talk a little bit more about this. So this is the Beck's Armory multi-axis tracking system. I've been getting a gazillion questions lately. All of a sudden, these things became super popular. Anyway, so you don't have to have a BA shredder for this to work. You don't have to have a Revolution for this to work. This will fit on any DIY 2x72 belt grinder that has 1.5 inch square tubing for the tension arm. So if you have 1.5 inch square tubing and you want to take your tracking to the next level, you need this kit. All right. So the nice thing, the base kit just comes with this piece and this piece, the handles and this welded bracket, right? So that includes build plans with part numbers for every single piece of hardware. But if you want to save some time and not look all over creation for hardware, I offer the Revolution Upgrade Kit. Now, the Revolution Upgrade Kit does not come with the handle, it doesn't come with this handle, and it does also not come with a strut. Now, the reason that is because guys who have Revolutions already have a spring back here, so they don't need this stuff. Now, let's say you have a Revolution, but you want this stuff. Just make sure in the drop-down menu you select Shredder Package, and then that will bump you up, and you'll get this bracket, you'll get the strut, and you'll get this handle. Then you can convert over to a strut instead of a spring. But, so that's the 3 different available configurations for the multi-axis tracking device. Let me quick show you how great this thing actually works. So this over here is my second generation BA shredder. Notice the 4-inch contact wheel. Love that. So the great thing about this is it's very intuitive. If you can drive a car, you can tune this belt very easily. So you'll notice there, when I turn the knob to the right, the belt goes to the right. When I turn the knob to the left, the belt goes to the left. So it's just like driving a car, right? If you want your belt to go that way, you turn the wheel that way. If you want the belt to go the other way, you turn it the other way. So this allows you, let's say you want to hang the belt over this side of the platen to get some nice feathering. Easy. Just give it a little turn to the left. Let's say you want to hang it over this side of the platen. Easy. Just give it a little turn to the right. Anyways, that is the tracking device in a nutshell. Like I said, it's universal. You don't have to have a BA shredder. You don't have to have a Revolution. You just have to have square tube tension arm. Also, if you do have a Gen 2 BA shredder, I would consider a contact wheel. I got this one from Amazon. It's not the highest quality. I know Ameribraid sells some really good ones, and I think TR Maker may have 4-inch contact wheels. You'll have to check. Make sure if you do get one that it has 1/2-inch bearings. Anyways, guys, thanks a lot. for taking the time to watch this video. If you're watching it on YouTube, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps out. If you want to build your own BA shredder, I'm going to leave a link in this video in the description below. Also, you'll see I do sell fully welded kits like the one on the table. All you have to do with these fully welded kits is throw some paint on there, a motor, and a VFD. If you don't want to spend the money on a VFD, you can go with a single phase motor and a power on-off switch. So anyways, these are also on the website. So I'm going to leave links to all this stuff in the description of this video. If you have any questions, send me a private message on Facebook or Instagram, and I would be happy to answer any of your questions and help you with your 2x72 build. Thank you so much. See you later.